This probably is the only collection that can captivate a hardcore engineer, an art lover, and a fashion guru all at the same time. This is the Shapes of Cartier, an extremely rare collection of over 300 magnificent vintage Cartier watches. In 1904, Louis Cartier did something that changed horology forever. He broke the circle to create the Santos, the first wristwatch for men, and he made it square. This collection gives us a quick look at a century of pure revolution, where technical genius meets art through Cartier's most iconic shapes. Our first shape is the baignoire, or French for bathtub. It was one of Cartier's first examples of breaking the boundaries of the watchmaking world. It was also the choice of many cultural icons, from James Garner to Catherine Deneuve. The design dates back to 1912, born from a private commission for the Grand Duchess Marie Pavlova of Russia. Louis Cartier reimagined the round watch by stretching it into two parallel lines linked by these very graceful curves. This yellow gold example from the 1970s is exceptionally rare. A nearly identical London baignoire was the signature watch of Brian Epstein, the manager of the Beatles, and he loved it so much he bought a similar watch for George Harrison. Next we will move to the most radical shape of them all, the Cartier crash. Look at this 1987 London crash. It looks like it's melting. You might think of Dali, or as many believe, it was inspired by a fiery car accident, but the truth is far more intentional. Jean-Jacques Cartier and the London head of design, Rupert Emerson, took the maxi oval, a cousin of the baignoire, and literally pinched the ends, distorting it to capture the rebellious energy of the 1960s, swinging London. For the engineer in you, look at the dial. Because the case is so distorted, the Roman numerals had to be hand painted and realigned multiple times, just so the hands would point correctly. This particular piece was handmade in 1987 by the legendary craftsman Arthur Withers, using the original 1960s equipment. It is one of only 3 examples to believe to exist from that year. If the crash was the rebellion against the circle, the tank was the revolution of the rectangle. Andy Warhol once said, "I don't wear a tank to tell the time, I wear a tank because it's the watch to wear." He was right. In 1917, during the height of World War I, Louis Cartier found himself captivated by the structural design of the Renault tanks. He drew a direct parallel between the combat vehicle's aerial silhouette and the wristwatch. This design later turned into a symbol of pure style that's lasted over a century, with more than 30 distinct models created since the first sketch. This Tank JJC Allongé in my hand is the elongated rectangle. It takes the classic silhouette and stretches it to its architectural limit. Cased in white gold with a striking black dial, it carries that rare Cartier London script that collectors crave. It's the peak of Bond Street elegance. But Cartier shapes were never just aesthetic, they were functional solutions. Look at this 1992 white gold Tank Asymétrique. You may ask, why the 45-degree tilt? As I rest my hand on a steering wheel, the 12 and 6 align with my line of sight. It's a cockpit instrument for the gentleman driver. Cartier proves that a watch can be both beautifully functional and functionally beautiful. From Louis Cartier's first square watch in 1904 to the wrists of icons like Andy Warhol, Cartier never followed the herd. They invented a new vocabulary of modern watch design. Whether you're an engineer, an artist, or a stylist, you can always find your shape in Cartier. And remember, these are just the opening chapters in a 300-piece epic collection